Hello everyone. Welcome to another thoughtful session on Thoughts on Leaders with another thoughtful and visionary leader, Dr. Aswathi. Hi ma'am, welcome to the session and welcome and thanks for your time for the session. So to start off with the session ma'am, would just like to know a brief about you and the institute.
Okay. So, myself Dr. Aswathi. I'm basically from Kerala. I studied in Karnataka, Kerala, everywhere, AUC and PG. So, I'm having some relation with that called South part. So, here I'm assistant professor in the department of Aswathi and Ayurveda, that is gynec and obstetrics, since from March.
Okay. And something about the institute ma'am, like you have been...
For academic session, now just we are starting the fourth year is going on. So from first year to fourth year, we have the classes, and in practicals we are going on. Like patients are coming in the. We have OPDs also for 6-7 clinical OPDs are there. So the patients are coming there, and we'll be doing some procedures for in each and every department will be different. So we'll be doing the procedures, and we are showing to the students also. It'll be working atmosphere is cool here.
Okay, great ma'am. So it's really great. Basically, students will get to know practical as well as theoretical knowledge from these. Hospital is also there and classes are also there. So great, sir, ma'am. So moving on to our first question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have been into teaching for a very long time. So what are the key factors that keeps you connected with your with the education sector?
You mean what? I didn't understand.
Basically, you have been into teaching.
Yes, teaching field. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm just asking that what are the key factors that keeps you connected with the teaching or education sector?
My knowledge will be updated for any time, every time, So for teaching the students, I have to work a lot because they'll be asking some questions we can understand what maybe we don't know what they are going to ask next time.
Yeah.
So I update it for every day for every subject because I wanted to answer them. I can't tell them. I'll refer and tell you. Because I have to be updated. So, and it's my passion actually.
Okay.
So I'll be.
Fine, ma'am. Great, ma'am. So, you have been associated with the institute.
Yeah.
Would just like to know some USP of the institute that you think that you have experienced but the outside world don't know about it. Okay. And you would like to share it to the world that, okay, this is the USP of the institute that you won't get it anywhere else. So, please could you share it?
Yeah, I think this is everyone, including the principal and the management, they are very friendly to everyone. For the staffs and students, they can go and approach them for at any time also. And here, not just teaching profession or it's the college and hospital, but there is extracurricular activities are also doing here. Some functions will be conducting here, for Dasra will be there, and just now the college teachers day celebration was there. And that this one Krishnashtami, it was also very well celebrated. Everything was there. It is you can study, you can live happily, you can enjoy it.
Great, ma'am. So moving on to our next question, what do you think the prospect that Krishna and KJ Institute of Ayurveda Research holds for the student who are pursuing a course over here?
Yeah, they can I told you, they will be all the faculties those who are now here at present. Will be they're well nourished with the knowledge, so they know each and every part because all are the PG studies. They know the basics UG level. They all the PG qualified faculties. So you will get from the base you can able to grow. You will get to know every aspect of everything.
Okay, fine, ma'am. So moving on to our next question. What do you think are the greatest strengths of this institute?
Obviously, the management and the principal. Without these things, we cannot do anything. Because if we wanted to do a new thing, if we have a proposal, obviously we can go and ask to the principal, and he'll be okay. If it is, he'll study for that. If it is fine, he'll be go through that, and he'll be talk to management, and they'll also happy with that if it is good.
Okay, and for the students, ma'am, how the pedagogy, how the course is taught to them. And how it helps them, how it is different from the traditional way of teaching.
Asking about that Ayurvedic way of teaching, no? Yeah. So from starting first year, if they're coming for the first time, they have a subject called Sanskrit. Everybody, those who are not happy with that because they may be not knowing about Sanskrit very early on. So from the basic, we have the stuff from the basic. A story, a very nice way they'll be going to tell the students how they have to study. and from the authentic way, like what is the traditional way? They have to sit like that, and they have to be like get their breath like that. They have to sit in the class. It's not like that. Teachers will be go into the students, and they will be there will be like some stories will be there. So from the stories they can understand the many things, and the practicals also there. So it's like they have to do, they have to learn like that.
All right. So just coming on to our last question, ma'am. Any particular advice or any suggestion that you would like to give to the youth or to the students or aspiring for this college?
Malab, they those who have to prefer.
Those who are aspiring to take admission into KJIAR, for them, any advice or any suggestions?
Come here with a good mind, because it should be a white paper. Like I have to study, I have to learn. With that, if you have any extracurricular activities, that is also will be nourished.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your time. It was really nice interacting with you. And thank you.